This is our introduction to math. My name is Terry, and I'll be your teacher today. Let's start with adding. Some people call it addition. I just wanted to keep it short and simple, so we'll call it adding. Let's start with a really simple problem, which could be just adding 1 plus 1. So I'm going to put it on the blackboard. 1 plus 1. Then you draw a line under it like that. Now to add this 1 plus 1 is pretty simple. You just bring down the first one, and then you bring down that second one, and that's the answer. I think 11's a little high there, actually. I'm going to suggest 9 or 10 would probably be better. Let's say 8. Next we're going to do subtraction, which is another kind of math where you subtract one thing from another. So what we're going to do is take 10, then we use something called the minus sign, minus 5. Now in subtraction, what we do is we take something away from something else. So in this case, we have to take away the 5, and we're just going to do that here. And so what we get is 10, pretty much where we started. Next example, we're going to do multiplication, which is a little more complicated than addition or subtraction. We want to multiply 3 times 4 equal. One shortcut to multiplication is to think of taking that the number 4 3 times and adding them together. So we could take 4, 4, 4. And so the answer would be 444, which I think actually is just a little ragged there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to round that off, and let's just say 400. 400 would be good here. Okay. Finally, we're going to do division, which is pretty hard. So let's look at division now. There's basically two kinds of division. Let's start with short division. So we'll take the number 10 and we'll divide it by 2. Okay, that's a short division. Now if we want to do long division, we just have to make this longer here, and then we wait a while. But you can see that in either case, not much really happens. That's all. Thanks, folks.